Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets imagination, and architecture touches the sky. Today, we invite you to explore one of the most breathtaking masterpieces in West Hollywood. 1898 Rising Glen Road, a mansion worth $78 million, redefining the meaning of elegance and perfection. As the golden sun rises over the Hollywood Hills, the house glows like a jewel, its modern architecture crafted with glass, steel, and stone, standing proudly at the top of the ridge. The first sight captures your heart, a grand gated entrance opening to a smooth marble driveway where luxury cars wait like artwork. Step inside, and you're greeted by a two-story grand foyer with floating glass stairs and a crystal chandelier raining light from above. Every inch whispers sophistication, from the polished marble floors to the golden accents glimmering in sunlight. Move toward the living room, where the glass walls dissolve the boundary between inside and out. The Los Angeles skyline stretches endlessly, while gentle daylight spills across designer furniture, abstract art, and curated textures. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, a flawless blend of marble, steel, and innovation. Every corner shines with custom craftsmanship, double islands, built-in appliances, and golden fixtures that catch the light like jewelry. Right beside it, the dining area welcomes you with a long glass table under a sparkling chandelier, designed for evenings filled with laughter, fine wine, and unforgettable conversations. The bedrooms are pure serenity, private sanctuaries floating above the city. Wake up to soft morning light pouring through floor-to-ceiling glass, revealing the iconic Hollywood skyline. Every room comes with its own story, warm tones, elegant fabrics, and luxurious textures blending comfort and design. Step into the master bathroom, and you enter another world. A freestanding tub rests beside a panoramic glass window, overlooking the hills, a view so surreal, you forget where you are. With marble walls, golden fittings, rainfall shower, and soft ambient light, this space feels more like a five-star spa than a bathroom. The TV lounge is the heart of the home, cinematic screens, modern art, cozy seating, and a perfect place to relax with a city view that never sleeps. Down the hall, discover the private gym and wellness spa, complete with sauna, cold plunge, and a lap pool, a personal retreat for mind and body. Outside, the Infinity Edge swimming pool becomes one with the horizon. As the sunlight dances on the water, the reflection of the city below feels like a dream, a blend of architecture and nature that few homes in the world can offer. The garage is no less than an art gallery. Glass walls showcase a collection of supercars, from Ferrari to Rolls-Royce, resting on polished concrete floors under soft neon glow. As the sun sets, the mansion transforms. Golden daylight fades into a night full of stars. Every window glows, every light carefully placed to enhance the home's geometry. From a drone view, the property looks like a futuristic palace, glowing infinity pool, architectural symmetry, and Los Angeles shimmering below like a sea of diamonds. This estate isn't just a home, it's an emotion, a vision of perfection brought to life. Designed with passion, engineered with precision, and finished with an artist's soul. Presented by Kurt Rappaport, one of America's most respected luxury real estate agents, this home stands as a symbol of California's modern luxury, powerful, elegant, and unforgettable. At American Dream Mansions, we believe every property tells a story, and this one tells the story of dreams, success, and timeless beauty. So sit back, take a deep breath, and imagine living your best life. In a world where the sunrise greets your infinity pool, the city lights sparkle below your terrace, and every day feels like a scene from a movie.